Kia ora, ko Kararaina Ngāta Melbourne Ahau, and I believe I can change the world. I come from a very, very small town on the East Cape of New Zealand called Te Araroa, where our main attractions are horses and the biggest pohutukawa tree in the world. Coming from a small town, I grew up with many stories of my fearless tipuna and my uncles who loved to hunt. This is where my love for my whānau, hapu and iwi grew. In saying, I love to film and document my whānau, whether it's a story about my uncle's hunting, a story about my tipuna, or even a one-man show. Which is why you are here watching this cool video I made today to help me grow from making home videos to joining the big leagues like my uncle, Taika Waititi. Nō reira, help this coastal girl make her dreams of changing the world come true by donating to my Boosted campaign, which will go towards my first ever professional short film, the start of my directing career. And I'll be sure to add your name in the credits. And that's a wrap.